Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ARLZ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. And before anything else, want to just quickly do a little house cleaning and get rid of that line right there. Yeah, it pertains, but from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's clutter with lines all over the place. So I want to try to keep this as clean as possible. And this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have traded for a while. But if you have, you know that when stocks get beat up quite a bit, and not only do they get beat up quite a bit, but it happens in a pretty fast amount of time, they can produce some very interesting, bounces. And, when the bounce comes, well, that's where you just got to manage risk and analyze risk and all that sort of stuff. But it can create some good risk versus reward opportunities. So that's why I'm keeping a close eye on this one, because sure, today the price did, there was no bounce. It failed and just put in newer lows. But once again, the price late day has, not necessarily late day, but pretty much the entire day after the first morning session, went sideways the entire day. And, maybe finally this is going to be some sort of bottom. The other thing that really stands out to me is, kind of the size of the fall. So here was a big old fall that happened yesterday. So picture this, that pretty much is outlining the size of the fall. You look at the size of the fall today, and you can see it's getting quite a bit smaller, which implies that potentially the selling pressure is subsiding. Now, I really wish trading was this easy, where I could say that because of this dynamic, the selling pressure is definitely done and this thing is bouncing up to 90 cents tomorrow. But no, trading's not that easy, but it at least becomes logical at this point in time to wonder, hey, you know what, maybe the selling pressure, it has let off enough, and the sideways price action here is going to be kind of those two combo factors that create some sort of bounce to the upside. So in the event this does bounce, the first level of resistance that it's going to have to encounter will be the level of support from yesterday, and this is just this update's a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So yeah, 45 cents. Like I said, if there is any sort of chance at a bounce, that first hurdle that'll need to be cleared is right there at 45 cents. And the next level up there coming from yesterday right around the 52-cent mark. So keep an eye on those two levels there. Those are going to be the primary hurdles to cross. As far as supports, I mean, the price, stopped going down today right around that 37-ish mark. So that's the level of support. But really, supports are pretty self-explanatory. If the support doesn't hold, that just means the price is putting in entirely new lows, and that's quite self-explanatory. But yeah, still an interesting setup. So we'll see if we can get some sort of snapback bounce or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.